So good morning guys, I'm ready for the day. So today we're going to Tokyo Tower. So I'm going to meet up my friends. So it's my outfit for today guys. I'm going to just wear slippers. It's really hot outside. So yeah, come with me guys in Tokyo Tower. Alright, see you. Good morning guys. Japan. Kabushikoko. So yeah. See the Tokyo Tower today. Tokyo Station. Japan Tower, guys.
Makakita siya sa mga pinindikito.
We are in a main deck level. Akyat muna tayo tapos baba na lang tayo ulit mamaya. Rio. This is Japan top deck view. O, diba? Ang taas, no? There. It's a washroom. There's some Shibuya. There's a sky tree over there. Tokyo Harbor over there. Ha? It's the main deck level, guys. So it's not us. Look at that. It's over there. Over there. It's lots of students. There's just a shop here. I got some magnetic thing and a little bit souvenir for Angel. So yeah. Need to find Roma and Nanay. Oh, diba? Nandito tayo sa tower, diba? Pagka ganito, not bad. Kasi alam kong hindi naman ganun baka ano. Tokyo Tower, guys. Cebu. Brazo de Mercedes. Ano yan, cake? still, there it is. Hey guys, nakabalik na ako sa hotel. Nakapag-charge ng phone kasi lobat ako kanina. And then now, I'm going to see some grocery shopping here. I wanna see it. Check it out. Okay, come with me guys. Orange, cherries, grapes. Hindi ako ng milk guys. Milk for myself. For a few days. Yeah. Going back to the hotel. Alright guys, I'm back to the hotel. I'm going to show you what I bought. So I bought this one. It's a chocolate. Whatever. I'm going to give this to Angel. Bring it to Japan. To Canada. The other one. So, for her to try it on. And this one as well. As snacks. So, honestly. And this one too. I wanna like let her try it. This one. And this interesting. It's kind of like a shell. The Japanese snack. And this one, I wanna eat it. It's so spicy, so I will eat it right now. I bought a milk. I'm going to drink because I'm like a milk lover. So I bought a milk. And I bought a kimchi. I will bring it back home. I want my mom and family there will try it. Chris knows this already, so I just bought it for family in the Philippines. So kimchi. So yeah, I'll try. They will see it there. All right. So yeah, I bought some chocolate too. Some like few chocolates. All right. Okay. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. So that's my is it 4 day today? Yeah, 4 day today. But basically 3 days because I came here Monday late. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.